Hi, this is Voxent. We want to congratulate you on St. Patrick's Day. Let's repeat together the main words associated with the holiday. I will say the words in English and Irish. Let's try. St. Patrick's Day in Irish, La Eile Patrick. Bagpipes, Amphipoor. Parade in Irish, Morthul or Parade. Shamrock sounds like Shamrock. And other symbols, green hat, green tie, leprechaun. Fun facts: the symbols of the holiday are the color green, the shamrock, and leprechauns, characters from Irish folklore. Legend has it that each leprechaun has a pot of gold hidden in a secret place. 3 million pints of Guinness beer are consumed annually on St. Patrick's Day. And also on this day, the local river in Chicago is dyed green. We have prepared a playlist on the theme of the holiday. I will leave a link to it in the description. Thank you for watching this video and start learning languages with Voxen.